Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create an area style sheet theme in MAPublisher. As you can see, I've already created a new Illustrator document and imported the world MIF file from the tutorial data folder. Next, from my Illustrator menu, I want to open the Graphic Styles panel. So from here, I'm going to press this button, and I'd like to open a Map Area Solid Colors library. So what I want to do is Shift select all of these styles in here and drag them over to my main graphic styles panel for my document. Now I can close that, and I can close the graphic styles panel as well. So next I want to open my map themes panel, and I'm going to click the add map theme button. In the new map theme dialog box, I'm going to type Continents 1 as my theme name. Make sure that the theme type is Stylesheet and the feature type is area, and I can click OK. So as you can see, this has been added to my map themes list, and to edit it, I can just double click it. And this opens the Edit Stylesheet theme window. Next, I want to click to specify layers, and I'm going to select the world area layer and click OK. So that means that this style sheet theme will be applied to that layer. So now I want to create rules which will apply different styles to different artwork on the page. So I'm going to click the plus button here to add a rule, and I'm going to name this one Africa. In the Rule Expression tab, I want to choose the Apply to Artwork that satisfies this expression option. So now I can click the attribute from the drop-down menu that I wish to sort by, and I'm going to select continent, and it's already automatically populated it here that I want it to apply to any continent that is labeled as Africa. Next, I want to click the Visual Properties tab, and here I'll be able to apply my style. Since I've already added styles to my graphic style menu for this document, I can simply go to Style and select any of the land styles that I chose to apply to my document. So for this one, I'm going to select land 40. For now, I will leave the other display properties at their default values and click Apply to see the changes made to the map. I now want to repeat these steps for each of the subsequent continents, and I will keep in mind that the same style cannot be used more than once, as one style equals more than one legend entry. Once all of the continents are assigned to style, I can click the Apply button to see the changes, or click OK to simply close the box without applying. I can now see that all of my selected styles have been applied to the map, and if I clicked OK, then nothing would have happened, but if later I wanted to go back and apply the styles, I can click the Apply Map Theme button on the Map Themes panel right here. The styles in the Graphic Styles panel are now linked to the attribute values specified by the style rules. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.